There are places where every technical intervention is also a gesture toward the land. Between the waters of Lake Brienz and the majestic peaks of the Bernese Oberland lies one of Switzerland's most complex and fascinating road construction sites. A path that moves forward step by step. Along a stretch of more than 13 kilometers on the N08, between Bönigen and Brienz, the ARGE Marti Brienzersee consortium is carrying out a large-scale rehabilitation and maintenance operation commissioned by the Federal Roads Office. The work involves not only the roadway itself, but also 3 tunnels, 13 bridges, and several engineered structures. For drivers passing through this picturesque area, only a small part of the ongoing work is visible. Beneath the surface lies a complex technical infrastructure and various utility systems hidden from view. The project includes Seng Tunnel, Ruhebalm Tunnel, and Giesbach Tunnel. In each of these tunnels, the entire road surface was completely renewed, from the demolition of concrete slabs to the removal of base and binder layers. To allow these works, the Seng and Ruhebalm tunnels were each closed for a single weekend, while the much longer Giesbach tunnel required 2 full weekends of closure. Behind these short timeframes, a highly coordinated effort made it possible to carry out extensive demolition and material removal, a demanding process that combined precision, speed, and teamwork. On average, 120 workers operated in shifts, with peaks of up to 220 workers on site at the busiest times. Beyond tunnel resurfacing, the ARGE Marti Brienzersee consortium undertook a wide range of additional works, making significant contributions to the renewal and safety of the infrastructure. These included concrete structure rehabilitation, crucial for long-term stability and durability. Major road construction tasks were also carried out, including the installation and replacement of utility systems. Targeted demolition was performed, followed by the complete reconstruction of certain road sections. The project began in January 2021 and is scheduled for completion in summer 2025. Managing such a complex site presented major challenges, particularly in coordinating the different companies within the group and external subcontractors. Nevertheless, collaboration remained effective throughout, supported by a strong team spirit and shared commitment from everyone involved. A demanding construction site set in one of the most scenic landscapes in the country, where technical precision and respect for the land go hand in hand.